7. Animal life. A. Uses of animals. Hello students. Domestic animals are very useful to man. Most of the domestic animals are greatly devoted to their masters. Domestic animals are quite friendly to us. Pet animals can give companionship to elderly adults who do not have adequate social interaction with other people. In this lesson, you learn about different domestic and pet animals.
Unit 7 Animal Life. A. Uses of animals. The creatures that walk on four legs are called animals. Some animals live in forests, but we domesticate some animals in our houses. They are called pet animals or domestic animals. They are very useful for us in many ways. Cow. Cow is an important domestic animal. It gives us milk. Cow's milk is easily digestible. It gives us energy. She-buffalo. She-buffalo gives more milk than cow. We prepare curd, butter, ghee, cheese, and some kinds of sweets with milk. Milk gives us energy.
Bullock. Bullock belongs to cow family. It is used to till the land and to pull the carts. Ongole Bullock, breed of Andhra Pradesh, is famous for its size and strength.
He-buffalo. He-buffalo belongs to the buffalo family. It is also useful for tilling the land and for pulling the carts. Dog. Dog is the most faithful animal. It guards our house from thieves. The police use dogs to trace criminals. Dogs eat meat. Dog's bite is very dangerous. Cat. Cat purrs. It takes milk and rat's meat. It can see well even in dark. Goat. Goat also gives milk. Its milk is also good for our health. Sheep. Woolen clothes are made of sheep's fur. Some people eat the meat of goat and sheep. Horse. Horse is used to pull the carts and to ride longer distances. Donkey. Donkey is useful for carrying loads. Some people pet rabbits and deer also. Pet birds. Hen. Hen's eggs are part of a healthy diet. Its meat is also nutritious. The place where more number of hens are reared is called a poultry farm. Duck. Duck swims in water. It eats small insects present in water. Some people eat the meat and eggs of the duck. Parrot. Parrot has a red curved beak. It is green in color. It looks beautiful. Parrots can be trained to speak some of the words used in our language. Dove. Doves can fly longer distances. In olden days, People used to send letters and messages with doves. We have to pet these animals and birds as they are useful for us in many ways.
Do these.
1. Fill in the blanks.
Conceptual understanding.
Oh no, do it again. Oh no, do it again.
Two. Tick if true or cross if false in the brackets.
Conceptual understanding.
Oh no, do it again. Oh no, do it again. Oh no, do it again.
Three. Answer the following questions in a word or a phrase.
Conceptual understanding.
Oh no, do it again. Oh no, do it again.
4. Answer the following questions.
Conceptual understanding.